Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel as I participate in my first open collab Tablescape Tuesday hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, Anna and Courtney, and invited by Amethyst Adventures. Please sit back and enjoy the video. I'm so happy to be back in my own apartment. I'm creating DIYs and bringing beautiful home decorating to you all. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you're missing out. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I uploaded a video earlier about a narcissistic man that was in my life years ago. As women, we need to heal and warn others of the signs so we can learn to protect our hearts. If you're dealing with trauma, sadness, depression, and someone who has turned you down, I want to let you know you are stronger than you think. Pray, get busy, and get the heck away from him and live. Now let's get into this video. My Heavenly Father blessed me with so much creativity, and I just want to honor him by using the talents that he gave me. Most of my videos, you will see DIYs. The items that I'm showing you right here in the beginning, I do have a DIY video for those that will be coming very soon. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I appreciate you guys so much, much more than you'll ever know. I enjoy doing these videos because they help me to get over so much trauma in my life. Thank you to all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can come along as I decorate my new apartment. Thank you and be blessed.